Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya Melissa, and in today's video I'm going to be talking all about my locks. These are my faux micro locks, and I'm going to show you how I install them, and I'm going to answer some questions that I have received in public. So let's get right into it. Okay, so guys, I started my locks on August 13th. Today is September 11th. September 11th, so it's almost a month. But I started them out with braids. So I'll show you a clip what they look like with just the braids. I wore the braids for like 2 weeks, just so, you know, everything could kind of loosen up a little bit, because I know I was going to be doing the interlocking at the root. So I wanted the braids to be not so tight along with interlocking. So that's what I did. I'll insert some clips to show you guys how I did it, because I didn't even plan to do a video because I had no idea nobody would be interested in my hair or asking me about my hair, but I have received so many questions. So that's why I'm making this video, and I did let people know that I would be making a video. It would be on my YouTube channel. So that was the plug. Okay, so the hair that I added is human hair. It's a brand by, it's the human bulk, the Afro bulk human, the Afro bulk kinky human hair is the hair that I used. I used it to braid into my hair, and I also used it to wrap around my braid. So let's see, I wore my hair for 2 weeks. I wore it, I styled it a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys how long my hair is and then how much of the extension that I added. So let me just do this. All right, so let me move my camera up a little bit. I guess I need to take this down. Well, I don't really have to take that down. All right, so let me show you guys where my hair stops. Okay, so you can see where my hair stops right here, where it is thick at, and then all the rest of it is the extension added. It's the braid added, and then it's wrapped around with the faux hair. So yeah, so far I have been loving my hair. I don't know why I didn't lock my hair sooner. Like, I was just always I'm the kind of person that I always like to change my hairstyle, so that's why I didn't lock. But the older that I get, I don't have time to be fooling my hair. Like, it's just so easy to get up and go, just shake it out and go. Yeah, so right now I just have it styled, just a little swoop and pin to the side. But y'all, I am loving my hair. Because I don't have any extensions in my bottom 2 rows, because my hair is, well, if I can get a good, yeah, this is my bottom 2 rows, and my hair is that length, so I didn't have to add anything. But what I did do was I took one of those crochet needles, and then I just locked it that way. So yeah, my bottom 2, that's my hair. And the more that this grow out, the more I'm gonna start cutting the extensions off, and so it'll just be my hair. So I have been growing my hair back since January 31st. So I think it's what, I had like 6 months of or hair growth, and then I decided to lock. So I am coming out of a big chop. I big chopped July 4th, 2021. So and then I just kept getting haircuts. I got it a tapered cut in December, and I kept getting like little shape ups in the beginning of January. But then I just got so tired of the haircuts, because my hair grow so fast. I thank God that it does grow fast, but I just got tired of getting haircuts. I was just done and over with. And then I bleached it blonde, and then I got tired of trying to keep up with the bleach because it just kept growing so fast. I would just have black roots like time I did it. So I had to make a change. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert some clips and show you guys how I did my hair, the hair that I used. And also, if you want to see how I have been styling my hair out, just click the link above, and it'll take you to, but click that after you watch all of this video, and then click the link and it'll take you to my little hairstyle video. Those are the styles that I have been wearing. This is one of the styles that I'm always wearing. So guys, just keep on watching. I'm gonna do a voiceover on the rest of the video. So thank you guys for watching.